Hello and welcome back. It's day 2 of our stay here at Chatsworth Caravan and Motorhome Club site in the Peak District. We got up this morning, we had some breakfast. We got some oat cakes yesterday when we went to the Christmas market at Chatsworth. So we had them this morning for breakfast, didn't we, Trixie? And then after breakfast we decided to go for a walk into Chatsworth again. We had a wander around the market. It was starting to get pretty busy as well, especially with it being a Saturday. Lots of people were coming. We walked from the campsite and it didn't take very long to get to the Christmas market at Chatsworth. We kind of walked through the car park and then up to Chatsworth itself. If you're not staying at the site, it's £30 to park in the car park there. Ouch. But if you're booked onto the lights trail, I think you've got your parking included there. But as I say, from the campsite itself, it doesn't take very long to get there. They've even got like a tractor train going from the car park up to the Christmas market, but it doesn't take very long to get there anyway. So yes, we had a wander around. It was certainly getting busy. We tried the Yorkshire pudding wraps, which had like a roast dinner inside. Jamie had one of the duck wraps as well. The rain soon stopped, which was good, and we managed to have a look around the other stalls. I picked up some sticky toffee cheddar and I think that was about it really. And when we got back to the site, we just called into the shop and we picked up one of the Bakewell tarts from there. They're actually cheaper from the campsite shop than they are in the market. When we got back to the caravan, Trixie was absolutely covered in mud, even though she'd had a jacket on. So we made use of the outdoor shower that we picked up from Amazon earlier on in the year. It's definitely been a great addition to the caravan. You simply fill it up with some warm water and you can use it then straight away. We're just having a chill now and then we're booked on to do the lights trail at Chatsworth at 5 o'clock. So we'll head off then later on to the lights trail. The campsite was full last night and I think it'll be full again tonight. We're here at Chatsworth Lights Trail now. Trixie, however, isn't very impressed and she's just crying the whole time, so hopefully she'll calm down soon. We all agree that I think the lights trail at Woollerton's a bit better.
That we went to a few years ago.
Yeah, there isn't really a lot here, just a few lasers really, and that's been it. Yeah, there was a fairy projection and that's it.
We've got the projection on the house.
However, as we turned the corner there was the light show projection on the front of the house. This year's theme is the Enchanted Garden and the projection uses a combination of colour, animation and sound to reflect this theme. Well, it's our last morning here at Chatsworth. Luckily, it's a dry morning, so Jamie's going to start taking the porch awning down. We've had a lovely stay here, and it's a site that I would definitely recommend. Last night we went to Chatsworth and we did the lights trail there. And I must admit, I was a little bit disappointed. In fact, we all were. I think I paid about £50 odd for the three of us to do it. And we've done other lights trails before, such as the one at Woollerton. And let's just say the Chatsworth one really didn't compare to it. There was a couple of laser lights and a few lights in the garden. But obviously the main thing is the light show on the house, which lasted for about 3 or 4 minutes. But that was it. And at the end of the day, I think that's all you're really paying for. And it's a lot of money just for that. So I think if you were coming to Chatsworth, I would try and do the house as well as the lights trail. Unfortunately, though, we couldn't get into the house as the house was already fully booked, and that was looking at about 2 or 3 months in advance before our stay. So that was a shame. But luckily, the Christmas market has been on this time, and we're so pleased that we managed to do it. I booked this pitch a year in advance as it is such a popular site. We were here at the time, and when I looked, all the weekends in November were already fully booked. That's because that's normally when the Christmas market's on. But this year they decided to extend the Christmas market, and the Christmas market is on until the 14th or 15th of December. So luckily it's been on during our stay, which I've been pleased about, as it has been nice to go and have a wander around in the day and also in the evening when it's all lit up. But yeah, I think next time it'd be good to do the house as well. Now, I mentioned on my last video that unfortunately Chatsworth haven't renewed the site with the Caravan and Motorhome Club for this site, and it's due to come to an end in March, unfortunately. I asked the wardens whether they knew what was going on, and they just said there's so many rumours going around, they really don't know. There's rumours that Chatsworth might be putting the farm shop here, they might be using it as a glamping site or accommodation for their own events or storage. So I really don't know. But then, though, I did see that someone had shared on Facebook a response they got from Chatsworth Estate themselves, and it actually said, it kind of gave an indication that maybe Chatsworth might look at renewing the lease. So that would be really, really good, because I think that if they did renew the lease, then the club would probably spend some money on upgrading the toilet facilities. I mean, the toilet facilities are absolutely fine and they're really, really clean. But I think when you compare it to, say, Clumber Park, where it's very modern there, I think, yeah, they could just do with a little bit updating. But yes, we've had a lovely stay here. Hopefully it won't be our last time coming here for Christmas, as it is such a real Christmassy site. We do like to get away at Christmas, as it is nice. If you've got any campsites that you would recommend to go to for Christmas markets or just that Christmassy festive feel, please do let me know in the comments. As unfortunately, if Chatsworth does close, we'll definitely be looking for another one. I hope you've enjoyed watching our videos of our stay here at Chatsworth. If you have, please do consider giving us a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support is much appreciated. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next video. bye.